Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a crane according to the instructions that you have on the sheet here. So if you'll get the sheet and set it in front of you and just follow along with me and watch this video, and I'll go step by step and point out which one I'm doing so you can see on the sheet it actually being demonstrated. That will help you understand it. You're going to have to see this and practice it multiple times to get really good at it. So seeing this first video will help you understand how to make a crane that much better. So I'm going to start with step one here. Now it says to hold your paper like a diamond and fold on the diagonals. And you see the arrows?
Nope.
If you look here at step one, it's hard to see on the video, I know, but you can see on your sheet. If you're looking at step one, in the top left corner, the arrows have 2 points on them. That means to fold it and then unfold it. So you're creasing. You're not folding and leaving it. You're creasing. So I'm going to crease. And it's important to make a nice deep crease. And you're going to unfold. And I'm going to crease this way. Again, step one here. And then I'm going to unfold. Okay. And then this little arrow right here, if you look at step two in the top left corner, it has like a little loop-de-loop arrow. Okay, that means to turn the paper over. So I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to hold it like a square, and then it asks me to crease in half vertically and horizontally. So I'm going to make these creases also. And then horizontally as well. Precision is important when you're folding, so you want to make sure that you match things up symmetrically as you're creasing. So I have step one and step two completed. Now I'm ready to move on to step three. Step three, in my opinion, is one of the tricky parts. So without flipping my paper over, I'm going to turn it to make it like a diamond. And step three says to fold all the corners down to the bottom corner. So I'm going to take this corner here, fold it down, move this corner down to the bottom, and then finally that top corner gets folded on top of it. So I ended up with a smaller diamond here. Okay, so that was step three. I folded those three corners down to make much smaller. It's open on the bottom. Now step four says fold triangular flaps into the center and unfold. So that's going to look like this. There's one, unfold that. There's the second. I'm going to unfold that. And then it asks me to fold the top triangle down. Just like this. I'm going to switch this up real quick because it's hard to see on the white. So I'm going to make it half of the paper so you can see what I'm doing here a little bit better. So I'm on step 5 now because I've done step 4 and 5. So now I'm ready for 6. And this is called the petal fold. Now you see that it shows my dotted lines and it's asking me to take this bottom corner and fold it all the way up. It says open the uppermost flap of the model, bringing it upwards and pressing in the sides of the model. So that looks like this. Here where I fold it all the way up. Okay, so that's going to look like this. And then it says 7, turn the model over and repeat steps 4 through 6 on the other side. So again, that's fold, center flap, triangle, unfold, fold this to the center flap. And then unfold, and then fold the top triangle down. Unfold, and then I'm going to open it up and press on the sides. Again, this is called the petal fold. This is one of the trickiest folds in origami, but once you get it down, it is used in lots of origami steps. This right here is what we call bird base. So if you ever read an origami book and it asks you to go from bird base, it asks you to go from step 1 through 7 on this sheet. This is now called bird base. And this is what you would use to make the crane that we're going to use in lots of other origami is based on this. It starts this way. So number 8 says fold the top flaps to the center. So that's this side and this side. I'm going to fold those flaps to the center. I'm going to leave them folded. I'm not going to crease them. I'm going to fold them. Okay, and then number 9 says repeat it on the other side. So I'm flipping it over and folding those to the center again. Okay, number 10 says fold both legs of the model up. Crease very well, then unfold. So I'm going to fold it up, crease it well, and unfold it. Fold it up, crease there, and unfold so that I've got my small creases here and here. And then inside reverse fold the legs. So what that means, basically inside reverse fold, and you can see the picture number 11. Okay, it's asking you to kind of open this side up like this, and then fold that back along, and you're going to reverse the crease just like that. And again on the other side to make those kind of legs come up. So again, they're inside and the creases have been reversed. That's the reverse part. Okay, then you fold the wings down, step 12. Fold the wings down. And I'm going to make the head out of one side. And that is my finished crane, just like this. Okay, so this is the 12 steps to the crane for the origami project that we are doing.